How's it going, everybody? Marco here, Sharks Uke, and today I'm going to teach you how to play By the Rivers of Babylon, originally played by, I think it was Boney M, and covered by Sublime, and that's the version I fell in love with. This video goes out to Mike Hoffman. He commented in one of the review videos, he heard the tune that was being played, instantly recognized it, and asked about the chords. It's only 3 chords. It's going to be the chord of G, and it's going to be the chord of D, and the chord of C. It's only those 3 chords. The strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, up, down, up, down. And it sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. And when we get into the verse of the song, on the strumming, I am going to strum with all 4 fingers, and I'm going to let them slide off of the chords, and I'm going to let them fall off the chords and hit the body and hit the ukulele like this, and it's going to add like a little percussion sound. And there is some tabs to learn. That's the intro and the bridge of the song. So let's start there. So string number 4 open, string number 1 2nd fret, and then you go down to number 3, right? And then you're gonna play a G chord. So what I like to do is I like to have my hand already on the G chord. That already puts your middle finger on the 1st fret, and I just hit the open 4th string. And then I use my pinky to hit the 3rd fret on the 1st string. And then when you lift it up, it's already in that G chord, so it sounds like this. Ready to go. The next part of that is on the 4th string on the 4th and 5th fret. So you're going to go to the 4th, and then you're going to go to that D. So I like to put my middle finger on the 4th fret. So when I hit that 4 and 5, I just slide that up to the D, and I drop my other 2 fingers into that D position. So it sounds like this. So middle finger 4, I use my ring finger on the 5th, and then I just slide that up to the D. And then that last part is from the 2nd fret to the 4th fret. And so I still use that middle finger on the 2nd fret, and then I jump my pinky onto the 4th fret, back to the 4th, and then you end it with the G. Sounds like this. Twice. Up to that D. Back to the G. And that's when we start to sing. By the rivers of, and on Babylon, we come in with that strumming pattern. That's gonna sound like this. By the rivers of Babylon, where he sat down, and there he D, when he remembered G on. Oh, for then we keep strumming. That's when we just simply start hitting the ukulele with that strumming. So the difference in strumming sounds like this. Here. It's just a different hitting. Here we're going to do G, C, G, D. And that's going to sound like this. Oh, for the wicked carried us away captivity. C required from us this song. G. How can we sing King Alpha song in us? D. Strange G land. And here we're going to do only G and D. and we're gonna strum it half of what we were doing before. So instead of down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, which is a 2 count, it's only gonna be a 1 count. So it's down, down, up, down, up to D. And that sounds like this. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy right. Pause over G, right. And then we go back to the tabs, the finger picking. Then we just do that all over again. By the rivers of Babylon. So try to follow along, and this is what it'll sound like when you put it all together. By the rivers of Babylon, where he sat down, and there he wept, when he remembered Zion. Oh, for the wicked carried us away, captivity required from us this song. How can we sing King Alpha song in a strange land? So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy right. Override. By the rivers of Babylon, where he sat down, and there he wept, when he remembered Zion. Oh, for the wicked carried us away, captivity required from us this song. How can we sing King Alpha song in a strange land? How can we sing King Alpha song in a strange land? Something like that. I hope that helps. Practice, leave your comments below, and see you later.